Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Car info updates. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and do share it with your friends. Now start the video. Audi Q8 is a luxury SUV that was first introduced in 2018. It is based on the same platform as the Audi Q7, but it has a more coupe-like styling. Q8 is available in 3 trim levels: Premium, Premium Plus and Prestige. The Audi Q8 is a luxury SUV that was first introduced in 2018. It is based on the same platform as the Audi Q7, but it has a more coupe-like styling. The Q8 is powered by a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine that produces 335 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and quattro all-wheel drive. Q8 can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.7 seconds. The Q8 is a comfortable and spacious SUV. It has seating for 5 passengers and a cargo capacity of 28.0 cubic feet. The interior is well-appointed with high-quality materials and features. The Q8 comes standard with a 10.9-inch touchscreen infotainment system, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, and a Bang & Olufsen sound system. The Q8 is a good choice for buyers who are looking for a luxury SUV with a sporty and stylish design. It is also a good choice for buyers who need a lot of space for passengers and cargo. Audi Q8 has a luxurious and stylish interior that is designed to impress. Cabin is spacious and well-appointed, with high-quality materials and finishes through. The dashboard is dominated by a large dual-touch-screen infotainment system that is standard on all Q8 models. System is easy to use and responsive, and it provides access to a variety of features including navigation, Audi, and climate control. Front seats in the Q8 are heated and cooled as standard, and they offer plenty of support and comfort. They are also adjustable in a variety of ways, so you can find the perfect driving position.